Hey.
Ow, this hurts. What?
Do one of these.
I can't. It hurts. It's not working.
Bend your knees. Want your hands back here.
My ass is bigger than that, home slice.
You're gonna break something on your body. What, are you trying to break your shoulder?
No. Get frustrated.
I love how that video ended. Your mouth is like.
Jesus fucking Christ. I just followed it.
Almost.
Almost. Ow. I took it off. It's like circulation on my wrist.
You gotta actually.
Thank you. How'd that feel, Nick? Jesus Christ! That can make me bleed. Ah, look at that. Ow. Let me see the videos.